Hello everyone! In today's video tutorial, we will guide you through how to turn off comments on Facebook posts. So, let's dive right in. Begin by launching the Facebook app and find the post where you want to restrict comments. Locate the three dots menu in the top right corner of the post. Tapping this icon reveals a list of options for managing your post. From the menu, select Who can comment on your post. This option gives you granular control over who can engage with your post through comments. Choosing this option will present you with a new menu that allows you to specify who can comment on the post. Here, you'll find a variety of comment visibility settings to choose from. Public. This is the default setting, which keeps comments enabled for everyone on Facebook. Friends. This option restricts comments to your Facebook friends, creating a more private conversation around your post. Friends of friends. This setting expands the circle a bit, allowing comments from your friends and their friends on Facebook. Specific people. This gives you the most control, as you can choose exactly who from your friend list is allowed to comment on the post. Only me. Selecting this option completely disables comments on the post, making it essentially a one-way communication channel. That's it. Now you know how to turn off comments on your Facebook posts. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.